It's Toker, I'll correct you.
Bwepa with Shiba. Bwepa, is it called Bwepa? Bwepa.
Yeah.
Kuku Queen Shiba Nemaran Kufuna Kukaba, Nenkukwata Kozen Kunweza Vetya Kukaba. Yeah, that's my Tugena Kutara, Evina Dira to Navisanga Yose Bendaba.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's one of my favorite songs.
Vibe
right
leads.
now. Vibe really. Yeah.
Wow. So you were raised in Canada?
I was raised in Uganda and I moved to Canada.
Oh.
So I used to
At
live
what
here.
age?
I moved to Canada ngandi kumi, 10 years old.
Ngoli kumi?
Yeah.
10 years old?
Yes.
Wow.
Nadi manyi Luganda. Like I used to know Luganda, bulungi nenje labira.
Wano ku Hasi Beauty Parlor tuli bakafulumu kulabirira n'okuyoyota ensusu. Tukola facial ne tukupepeta ka face ne kawawera nga ka baby. Tusiba n'okola enviiri mu buli musono songa mu kukola pedicure ne manicure tuwe kansa. Tusala enviiri mu buli musono. Ate bwe kituuka mu kukola makeup tetumanyiyo mulala. Tuli muyenga ku Tank Hill Road okulira na Italian supermarket mu basement. Essimu tuli ku noti 726 682 953. Teweerabira saluni egenda okujjayo bulungi bwo n'ekitiibwa kyo ye Hasi Beauty Parlor, a world of beauty.
Ku mukutu kosinzidde okubanga ate otulabye ALLANCRUZ gemanya nyongero banirizaako yonna gye mutulabira mu nsi ez'enjawulo. Mwebale nnyo mwebayire ddala naffe tujja sigala nga tubaweereza bulungi nnyo. Tuli proudly powered by Hasi Beauty Parlor, Italian supermarket yawe muyenga we tusangibwa bakola ensusu bali bakabaka ate nga buli kimba kikukolera bulungi nnyo. Mukwano gwange Hasi London nkutumiddeko nnyo waleeta omutindo omulungi mu kibuga Kampala n'otukolera saluuni eri ku mutindo gwa nsi yonna. So naffe tujja sigala nga ate tuweereza bulungi nnyo ddala. Ku show yaffe y'olunaku olwaleero have handsome friend of mine is here. Mbadde simanyi nti musajja muwanvu naye ate bwe mulabyeko olunaku olwaleero ne mmanya nti they are tall niggers. Have I used the wrong one? They told
No,
me
that's the right
Canada,
word.
In Canada you don't want to use the word nigger.
Nah, you can use that word. That's the right word.
Wanji?
You just can't use the ER. The ER at the end.
Yeah. Kimo singa interview eno gwagikoze kuba kakati interview eno oluzungu twogera Luganda ngenda gezaako. Ogenda gezaako? No, we can use English. By the way, me I'm very good in English.
Naye Luganda toji susa kubanga I can't go too far with it. I can't go too far.
Okay, for the people watching us for the very first time, someone watching you for the very first time, say hello, introduce yourself so that we can be starting.
Abana Uganda.
I will turn the kid there.
Abana Uganda, Peter Prospect Phil, and do you want to know?
No, first use English.
English?
Yes.
English?
Yes.
All right.
Yeah.
My name is Prospect Phil. I'm here with ALLANCRUZ. Thank you for having me. ALLANCRUZ. Prosper.
I'm Alan who?
ALLANCRUZ?
You know how chicks in Uganda call me?
What?
ALLANCRUZ. ALLANCRUZ.
Nah, it's
yes.
ALLANCRUZ.
Why not do the introduction again?
I'm here with ALLANCRUZ, Prospect Phil. Thank you for having me. Prospect Phil. Prospect Phil.
Go ahead, my brother.
Thank you for having me. Honored, and I'm welcome to be here.
Where do you live?
In Beramu, wait, in Uganda or in?
Where do you live?
In Beramu, Canada. Naye ndi wano for a visit.
Beramu, Canada.
Yeah.
Wow, what's your Luganda name?
Luganda manyagange bampita Wamala.
Wamala.
Yes, Sebo.
Wamala bedirachi.
Sisawola kugamba. I can't even tell you.
Okay.
I don't even know.
How long have you been in Canada?
In Bademu, Canada, miaka kumi.
Is it Canada?
Osobola jita choyagala Canada.
Katigo jita otya?
I call it Canada.
Ka?
Canada.
Naeze bannange. Mundeke no shewe we naggwera olunaku olwaleero nja kuba simanyi. Oh.
Canada. Canada.
You have a sister? You have a brother?
I have a sister, I have a brother. Ezekiel and Esther. I have two younger sisters as well.
You have who and who?
Esther and Ezekiel are my siblings.
Esther and?
Ezekiel. Mutesa Asira.
Ezekiel.
About the winners of East Africa's Got Talent.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So they're your siblings.
Correct.
Which grade are you?
I'm not in school.
You're not in school?
No matter what,
What are you doing? Okolachi?
Right now, I'm pursuing my career as an artist.
You're an artist? You're a rapper?
Nkola music, new music coming soon. Nkola Luganda music.
Uganda.
Fig for maker.
Kayimbachi.
Simanyi, I'm gonna say it wrong, but I know the song.
Let's talk, I'll correct you.
Bwepa with Shiba. Bwepa, is it called Bwepa? Bwepa.
Yeah.
Kukukuin Shiba nemara kufuna kukaba, nenkukwata koze nenkunweza vetya kukaba. Yeah, that's my. Tugenda kwetala, evina dira tunabisanga yoze bendaba.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's one of my favorite songs
Vibe
right
lead.
now. Vibe. Yeah.
Wow. So you were raised in Canada?
I was raised in Uganda and I moved to Canada.
Oh.
So I used to
live
live
here. At what age?
I moved to Canada ngandi kumi, 10 years old.
Ngoli kumi?
Yeah.
10 years old?
Yes.
Wow.
Nari manyi Luganda. Like I used to know Luganda, bulungi, nenjerabira when I left.
Yeah.
Yeah, Canada ya nononya, I guess.
Oh, Canada ya kuonona.
Yeah.
Oh, wenyini yawo. Kwa Canada nze nga bwenjimanyi. Canada yonona.
Yeah, Uganda is singa bulaya. That's true.
You're kidding me, bro.
It's true.
You're kidding me,
true.
bro.
Uganda is singa bulaya.
So you better live here than living in Canada.
I'd rather live in Uganda than live in Canada. Echonchi Gambia want no cool. ALLANCRUZ show right now.
Sure, why?
Because Uganda's a vibe. Canada's not a vibe.
Ah. So Canada temuyina vibe.
Nedda.
Lwachi?
Simanyi. Between us snow, that's about it.
Biko yabitama.
Exactly. How do you call snow in Luganda?
Muzira.
Muzira. Yeah, Twina Muzira. I don't like snow. I don't like the cold.
You don't like it? Never night. Kimu musomesa abana. Whoa! Omuzadde nayi nakola nnyo. Omwana wo nage kati eri abatandise okwesoza abamu bajjeko YouTube zaabwe abamu bajjeko amasimu gaabwe omwana yeekoza omwana teyeekoza bwe batyo bwe bazu ondi ya muzadde yakola nnyo n'atwala omwana we Canada. Mama, it's not your fault.
Not my fault.
Yeah.
Abantu balowooza nti
tuweekoza.
Exactly.
Yeah, exactly. Balowooza weekoza.
Nedda sebo. Oluganda sejimanyi.
Ne nange nsobola okwogera bwentyo.
How? How?
Like that accent.
See what that accent in a when you get a see what that accent is it just I feel like in the muko get a normally.
No?
Normally.
Pros.
Yeah.
Mwana oli wakabi blood. Gwe kyakabi gwe kyoba omanya mwana wa mama.
Gwa singa.
Oli wakabi. Kati njagala wali ogenzeko mu ghetto eyo wansi wozeeko Uganda ogenzeko mu ghetto eyo nola akubana.
Yes sebo.
Ogenzewa.
Ngenze mukono.
Mukono. Nokola charity.
Ngenda kola charity before I leave.
You know kubera ku charity yo. From today we have to be bad days.
We could do that.
Yeah.
We could do that.
You have a girlfriend in Canada?
Nedda ndi single.
Rachi.
I say this all the time. If you love, byantama.
If you love, byakutama wachi.
Waliyo muwala yamenya mutima.
Allah.
And ever since then,
I can understand what you're going through.
Ever since then, no, I'm not looking back.
What happened? Yakolachi.
Yo, I don't even wanna. No.
They might also like kaba, bros. You're a strong man, man. You know, we've all faced that shit. Yeah. So you love someone, and then the next day, someone jacks you just for nothing because the other guy has money. That's what happens here. So what really happened, bro?
What happened? And those Tiaba de happy. She wasn't happy. Simanyi wachi.
Banga to innocent.
I don't know. I think you know, nina sense, but silly mugaga.
Sorry mugaga nyo.
Silly mugaga na ye nina sense. I'm not broke.
Yeah. Oinamu obukumala.
Exactly. So I don't know. She just wasn't happy. Teyaba demusanyufu.
Ngakuwa nsonga ki?
Just yaleka. Tewali nsonga. She just left.
Just out of the blue.
Out of the blue, Echo Chean Sobera too.
Leaving the whole you.
I know, me. I know.
A guy with height. Guy who looks nice. A Muganda guy. Was she a Canadian or was she a Canadian lady?
She was a Canadian, Omwalo Muzungu.
You had a white girlfriend? Oh, she left you.
I know. I'm not going. That's why I like black girls now. I love black Ugandan girls now.
She had blonde hair?
She had blonde hair, yeah. I know.
Blue eyes?
Blue eyes. Bionna.
Figure?
Figure. Coke bottle figure. Bionna.
By the way, I can feel your pain.
Hey.
I can feel your pain instantly.
I'm still healing.
You're still healing?
I'm still healing. Yeah, it happened 2 years ago. 2 years ago. I'm still healing.
2 years. You're having a wound. I should get you one nakamate here.
Find me one, bro. Baliwa.
I give you my sister?
Baliwa.
I have my sister in the UK.
Aliwa.
Ali UK. I have my sister. She's called Stacy.
Nteka, go. Put me on.
Sure?
Yeah.
Aha. Sister wange ngina mukubira simu. Mugambe, I've got you someone good. Do you beat women?
Nedda.
You slap?
Nedda.
You don't?
Nedda several.
Hey.
I don't put my hands on a woman unless she wants me to.
I like when she wants you too. Ne pros mwana. Nze katika nkubulire. Bulijjo njagala okubeera kyaliwo. Naye nga ngamba mwana pros oyinza okuba mwana ajeewulira nga pros alaba wakabi.
Nedda. I'm a down to earth guy. I'm chill. I feel like I'm humble, you know, and I could talk to anybody.
Okay. So what do you do in Canada for a living?
I work on my music. I go to the studio. I write songs. I shoot music videos. I produce.
Have you seen my brother? No, wait a minute. So, apart from doing music, what else do you do? Which job that gives you money?
I produce.
You produce?
I produce music.
That's the job you do?
I make money from my music, from my content, and I make money from working with other artists.
Sure. So you don't work in KFC, health systems?
Not in job, actually, McDonald's. I used to work at McDonald's. Yes.
Where?
McDonald's.
You're the way you tata.
It's like KFC, but it's...
McDonald's?
Yeah, McDonald's. I used to work at McDonald's. I know.
What do you call it?
McDonald's.
McDonald's?
Yeah.
Okay. Ngokola regular okola kumacha?
Ngankola kumacha, ngankola regular, ngankola burger, ngankola fries, everything.
You said you're good at cooking even at home. You know how to cook?
Katono.
Which Ugandan meal do you enjoy most?
My favorite Ugandan food would have to be muchere ne binyeva, but the binyeva has to have nyama inside. It has to.
I had to take you to Papa's so that you can
enjoy. We need to go.
Yes, I
swear. We need to go.
Because you had to enjoy that meal when your mother is watching you.
Binyeva ne nyama inside. I need that.
Yeah. Here at Papa's Spot, they have luwombo.
Oh, I've had luwombo. It's actually good. I've had it.
Do you know luwombo?
I know luwombo.
How is it like?
It's like bajitekamu, like I don't even know how to. Banana leaves. It's covered in banana. Yeah.
It's called indagala.
I don't know.
You say indagala.
Indagala.
Yes.
Indagala.
Yes, they put it in indagala.
And then it's like a soup, and then I know.
It is so.
I know. It's good. I had it.
You've tested it.
I had it a couple of days ago.
It's kawa. Just
it's fire.
Yeah.
It's fire.
Kapia.
It's fire.
Yeah.
It's fire, bro. I'm telling you.
Ne prospect.
prosper, whatever.
Obala wa TikTok tebukwana.
I mean, bagezako.
Bagezako. So what do they tell you?
Everything. In Chiwuli they would So I've heard everything.
So what do they say? Now
I've heard this before. Oyomwana aje tumuweko. I've heard Oyomwana jangu tumulie. I've heard everything.
You know Spice Diana?
Yeah.
You want to visit Spice Diana?
I mean, I'd love to make a song with Spice Diana.
You know Spice Diana?
Yeah.
Plus you don't know Spice
Diana ya Jack Canada, and I opened for her for a show.
You're kidding me, bro?
I'm being serious.
Spice Diana came to Canada and opened up.
I opened for a show, yeah.
You love her?
Yeah, I like her music.
You like her music?
Yeah, I love her music.
Which song?
Silly regular. Silly regular. Yeah. Regular.
Oh, you love regular?
I'm not regular either.
Regular.
Regula. Chagamba, right?
Chetugamba wano.
Regular, regula.
Mangat. Mbera wetu se Uncle Pros. Speed yo jintu alira ddala.
Tuvuga speed wano.
Tukuwe Spice Diana omuwase. She has no boyfriend. She's single.
Single and searching?
Yeah.
I mean, I'm a new Andy, so.
How old are you?
I'm old enough.
You know Baby Wine?
Yes.
Which song of Baby Wine?
Mr. Money.
Hey.
I performed it at Federation actually the other day. Eddie Kenzo's Ugandan Federation.
Oh, you joined the Federation? Did you join?
I didn't join, but they called me on stage and I performed Mr. Money.
You went there?
Yeah.
So Eddie Kenzo welcomed you?
Welcomed me, showed me love. Thank you. I appreciate it a lot. I was honored.
Oh.
Yeah.
So you love Ugandan music?
I love Ugandan music.
Why don't you settle here?
Ugandan culture, Ugandan food. I just came to visit right now. Who knows what happens next time?
What's your mother's name?
Mama wange bamuyita Lynn.
Lynn. Ate Uganda.
Uganda.
Hey. Culture name?
She doesn't have a Uganda name.
Hey.
Pope.
Lynn.
Pope Lynn. Or your mama wange.
Omwagala nnyo.
I love my mom a lot. I love you, mom.
Abana bebula amwagala nnyo. Love you, mom. Shout your mom.
I love you, mom.
Bannange. Omanyi for oluzungu oba oyagala oyogera oluzungu lwo naye nga nange nnamo olwange kyokka olwange lusinga okuvaayo kati you know
yogera oluzungu
the heart the body and the heart wants to speak your English but the mouth brings out the local English. There's nothing different about my Luzungu. Like it's not anything nice. It's not nothing nice. Like it's okay. It's whatever. It's what?
It's okay. Like Teddy Chintu Cha, like Cha Mani or anything crazy. Nga wo yagala kwogera Luzungu lwange. We njagala kwogera Luganda lwo. What
do you hear people say about Ugandan girls?
Ugandan girls and Tiamurida Tebali easy. That's what I hear. Naye mbagala either way.
Tebana kuyikirizaako?
Nadda. Nadda. Bagezaako naye.
Tebana noonya wosula?
I mean, like what do you aba gezako ku okumanya wendi na yeah. I have a good team around me who protects me, you know, Nina.
What's his name?
Oh, your manager wange DJ Wiz. He's a DJ as well.
Abera Canada.
Abera mu Uganda. He's one of the big DJs in Uganda.
Omusasula.
abakuzaala quality farm Madugomba bayita abalunzi bonna mu ggwanga okujja musomo gw'ebyobulunzi ogutuumiddwa ekyama mu bulunzi Citrus farming okuva nga 5 okutuusa nga 6 January ku faamu yaabwe Madugomba omusomo gwa nnaku 2 era tugenda kutendeka abalunzi mu nnunda ey'omulembe endiisa n'endabirira ebyuma eby'omulembe bikozesebwa mu kulunda oyige bw'ofuna mu kulunda ate era n'okukuuma ebitabo banking and record keeping.
Nammwe abaagala okutandika ebyobulunzi nga temulina ssente wakuzeewola mujja ku olwo
tujja kuba ne campfire ekiro era ng'abayimbi ab'amaanyi ennyo mu ggwanga bakutusanyusa ekiro kyonna paka obudde kkejenge osasula shinze emitwalo 2 okulya okunywa n'okusula sasula ku momope kamunyenye mu 65 kamunyenye 3 kadaala machant code eri 571 671 oba kuba essimu noti 779 291 758 ovuga n'otuuka e Maddu Town Council Gomba District n'odda ku Maddu Kiganda Road kilomita 4 zokka ng'otuuse ku Kuzaara Quality Farm.
You don't know Kasuku?
What's that?
Uncle Kuku was a banger.
What is that?
Oh, Kasuku nkunyonyole ntya.
Simanyi.
He's a journalist.
Okay.
A media personality.
Okay.
Yeah, I need you to visit Kasuku on his channel. I know many of you people will enjoy you with Kasuku.
I'd love to.
Yeah, because Kasuku has luseke.
Luseke.
Yeah.
What's that?
Straw.
Straw?
Yeah, straw. You know straw?
What's straw? Simanyi. You know kunyonyora, like
someone beats you straw.
What do you mean by that? You know kujukira nti sina, like this is my first time mu Uganda after 10 years. So simanyi the lingo, simanyi the new words, simanyi.
You know the slang?
I don't know the slang.
Okay, luseke is a slang in Uganda. When someone says, I want to get Prosper and then straw him, it means I want Prosper to give me some money. That's what. So if someone says Prosper njagala baluseke,
okay,
someone wants you to give him some money. Yes.
Okay.
Either little or what, it means someone wants to give.
Bagala ko.
Bagala ko kasente.
Okay.
Yeah. So you came with Canadian dollars? Oh, you've already exchanged it.
I already exchanged it. I already have. You know someone who's handling my money for me.
Mama yakwatira sente zo.
Nedda manager wange.
Yeah. Kati yaine eza leero.
Yaine eza leero, aina eza ncha, aina eza yesterday. He handles it for me.
You know Robin Kisti?
Robin Kisti.
Yeah.
Ayo manyanje wuri there before, but it's like I'm not really sure.
Yeah, she works on Urban TV.
Okay. Oh yeah, I know her. She's the one who got me this connection as well, actually.
Wanji?
Yeah, but they are to connecting. She's the one. So thank you to her.
She's the one who got me this connection. She got me this connection.
Yeah, she got me this connection and got me here. So
what did she tell you?
She told me she got me a show on your wonderful.
And then did you have time to check it?
To check out the I checked it out. I saw some of you. I scrolled through your page actually a little bit.
What did you see?
Not of your 165 subscribers.
And you like?
I like that.
You like?
I like that. It's a big platform, and I don't take it for granted. I appreciate it.
I'm going to see how you appreciate, because I want you to.
You want a straw, eh? You want a straw?
I'll take it down.
You want a straw?
Hey, how is Esther?
Esther Ibulunji.
But by the way, I thank you a lot. We saw you on TikTok. Wayamba nyoba Esther settlinga in Canada.
Of course.
You were with them.
Abo baganda bange, so that's what I have to do.
Wow. By the way, would I gamba mama o mwagala nnyo.
Okay.
By the way, even Julie Mutesa Sida.
Okay.
Aunt Julie. You know Aunt Julie?
Of course.
Wow. Tell her I love her so much.
Njamugamba. All love.
Tell her ALLANCRUZ said he loves you so much.
Agenda kulaba in a video, so.
Agenda kulaba?
Yeah.
No soko mugambe ALLANCRUZ loves you so much.
Wait, oyagala mugambe ALLANCRUZ loves you so much.
And nodda. So much.
So much.
Hey, mugambe.
Njamugamba. ALLANCRUZ loves you so much. Mom Julie. Kubanga muyita mama.
Aba mama wo. Tusabule embaga.
Mom Julie. ALLANCRUZ loves you so much.
Nice.
Of course.
Okitegeera. Kakati olaba embeera yonna kati. Sharif, what's kyekyo ekyoyinza okubeera awo n'ogamba nti man, Canada is hard. I wish I was here.
Honestly, I'd say the environment. It's not the same. It's not the same as Uganda. Uganda is a loving country. You guys are all like, Ugandans are, you're the same. Everybody supports each other. Everybody loves each other. Everybody like Wano, Alimuna Uganda.
Do you want to hold a Ugandan passport too?
Yes.
You want it?
I want a Ugandan passport.
You have it?
No, sina Ugandan passport. Not yet. It's in the works.
Ojagala.
Njagala.
Ngoyagala nnyo Uganda. Oyagala nnyo Uganda.
I love Uganda, bro. I'm from Uganda. Ndi muna Uganda.
Ne tata wo muna Uganda.
Ne tata.
Ne mama wo muna Uganda.
Ne mama wange muna Uganda.
Just wakobeera Canada.
Just where I live. That's it.
Kati Canada ogenda nola kubivulu nga abayimbi bazze. Ha, you missed Fefe Busi.
Fefe Busi.
You know Fefe Busi?
Never heard.
Never heard. Oh, okay. There we go. You know Shiba?
Mani Shiba. I opened for Shiba too.
You opened?
For Shiba.
What did you tell her?
No, I didn't have an interaction with her, but I didn't get lucky enough to have an interaction with her. I didn't get to have an interaction with her.
Wow.
Like Sayo Gedena Namula Vieko show. I supported her. I was in the crowd after I opened for her, of course. But it was an honor, even just being on the same stage as her.
Do you know David Lutalo?
Yes.
You know David Lutalo?
Yeah.
Which song?
I don't know any songs, but I know who he is. Kabanga, Wenabela, Uganda. He was one of the artists that was going crazy too. So I know that name. You know his song of Kapapala? How does it go?
Oh mama, kambenga nawe, akabina kagenda kapapala.
Akabina kagenda kapapala. I've heard that song before. I like I'm remembering it, but like Sijijukira Bulunji. Yeah.
You know Chameleon?
I know Wakabi?
Hey.
Yes, I know Chameleon, of course.
Hey.
I know Chameleon, of course.
You know Chameleon?
I know Chameleon.
Is Chameleon big in
I
Canada?
also opened for Chameleon.
Oh.
Yeah.
Have you ever seen Chameleon song in Canada anywhere on TV?
I've seen him have multiple shows in Canada. Like I've been in a show in Canada. So what are abantu mu Canada that support him a lot?
Sure.
A lot.
And whites?
A lot. Even whites, yes.
Sure.
Even whites.
Wow. What about Kenzo?
Eddie Kenzo?
Yes.
Yeah, I know Eddie Kenzo. Of
you
course.
Kenzo.
You
know Eddie Kenzo very well.
I don't know him very well. I just met him the other day at Federation.
Did you have a little chat with him?
Yeah, we had a good conversation. I thanked him.
What did you talk about?
Just, he said, Yagambienti ndi Nachikubye. When I went on stage, he said, yo, Prosper, Wachikubye. And then he dapped me up. And then, yeah.
What?
He dapped me up. That's this. Yeah.
Eba namwe zino show tugenda zikola tuduke ekiseera
nange I need to teach you the lingo too, you know, how you're teaching me the lingo.
Kubanga mwana bina ebintu olusi mu bikalu bya kati sirange ezo ndizituyitamu ezimu nga tetuzimanyi.
Era ngenda bayigiriza abana Uganda.
Ogenda bayigiriza. I saw you testing Ugandan KFC.
It was good.
Was good?
It was good.
You tasted it?
Yeah.
It was nice?
It was nice.
Better than the one in Canada?
Simanyi, if I can say that, like, I don't know. I don't know. Kubanga, when I did it, Nedda, but it tasted the same to me.
Sure.
It tasted the exact same.
I've already told people it tastes the same. Even in the UK, even in America.
Yeah, it tastes the same. So, like, I feel like it was a little bit overhyped. Overhyped. Now, yeah, it was still good. I enjoyed it.
I have a friend of mine. She's called Hope Birungi. She lives in Canada.
Birungi.
Yeah, she organizes the African Descent Summit. You know her?
I performed there.
You performed?
At the African Descent Summit.
Yeah, she's my good friend. So when you go back to Canada, please tell her. Yeah, CRUZ said hello. with her husband.
Okay.
I have a friend of mine, she's called Sarah Paith.
Sarah Paith.
Yeah, she's a model in Canada.
Okay.
Yeah, she's a
So
South
what you take is Umanyi bantu mu Canada.
Canada, auntie, you know. Canada.
So you know Kuja, I'll show you around.
I've never come to Canada, but I know people, my friends in Canada.
Tufune vibe.
Njagala kuleta ke Canada.
You want to buy land in Canada? So what chikola na ye? You know kuteka
out.
Sente. A lot of money.
Ekanga like 20 acres.
20 acres?
Nime. Zimbeke
Chiteke-
nyumba z'abapangisa.
So oli mugaga chitekeza. Oli mugaga.
Rachi.
Tabiri vya laisi. It's
Si vya
not
laisi.
cheap. Everything in Canada is expensive. That's another reason why I love Uganda. It's not as expensive as Canada.
Segeza sobola kufunayo kazigo Canada awo.
Osobola funa na ye. Just so you know, kumanya wogenda jifuna, oina kumanya how much you want, you know, it's very specific.
Manai. Kitegeza Canada ejja kumbeerera nzibu. I can't do farming in Canada.
Uganda is singa bulaya.
Sobola kujja Canada n'ennima.
Farming? Nedda. Kubanga. I mean, you can, na ye ogenda kunima for a time period. Kubanga tuina winter. Snow. What do you say? How do you say snow? Mazira? How do you say? Omuzira?
Si mazira.
Mazira.
Yawemula.
But yeah, so yeah.
Anti batulaba omuzira.
Omuzira.
Ne kati bona gamba amazi ojja omula amazira ananga kaba na Uganda bagambe prosper tukoze otya prosper tukoze.
Bagen balowooza nti mbavuma nedda just
anti bajja lowooza bakimanyi.
Bakimanyi nti bavuma.
Osanzeko abantu abalowooza ku social media nti weekoza.
Yeah. Abanji balowooza neekoza naye like
nawe tolina kyakukola.
What am I supposed to do? Tewali chance.
Bazaddewo baakutegekera. Omanyi waliwo oluyimba lwa Sebatta. You know Sebatta?
Nedda.
He's a Kadonkam artist, very big legend.
Okay.
If you want to do Ugandan music, eriyo ba legend bewetaaga omumanya. Sebatta, Paul Kafero, Herman Basude. So kati Sebatta alina oluyimba olugamba beesiimye abalina bakitaabwe abakola entegeka ne batasanga bwavu. Do you know what that statement means?
Beesinga aba?
Beesiimye abalina bakitaabwe abakola entegeka ne batasanga bwavu.
So the people who have a dad are grateful because they don't have, because they're something like that. Something like that, right? People who have a dad are grateful because their dad took care of them.
No, it's not that. Beesiimye. Okay. Beesiimye is someone lucky.
Okay.
Yeah? Then beesiimye abalina bakitaabwe. Those ones that have their fathers that worked so hard for them. And by the time they grew up into men or ladies, but it's that.
Okay.
Like are those ones that have their fathers, or happy are those ones that have their parents that worked hard for them. So they have not seen the bad days.
Okay.
So kati gwe oli omu ku abo abaana nti always sit down and thank the Lord and thank God and pray and always pray for your mom and always thank the Lord that you have a mother like the one you're having. Because
I'm grateful.
she worked so hard for your future and that's why you're here.
You're right.
You can speak good English, you're in a good country. So most of the teenagers here want to come to Canada, but there is no way they can.
I'm grateful for
you're
that.
Lucky, so you should thank your mother. You should thank even your father.
Yes.
Even your father is in Canada.
Tata wange ali mu America.
Yeah. Mugenda nyiga. Anyala na Uganda banyiga.
Wachi.
Anti mama wali Canada. Tata wali mu America.
Yeah.
So over Canada no genda mu America kula tata wo.
Yeah.
Ate jajja wali wa.
Judge wange ali mu America as well. Na ye Judge wange like visits Uganda.
Linda kutugenda mpla.
And then goes to America.
Jajja wali wa.
Ali mu America.
Ate tata wo.
America.
Mama wo.
Canada.
Baganda abalala.
America and Canada. What?
Anti nze Abannayuganda mbagamba pros. Gwe baakutegekera.
So what are you saying? I'm a planned kid?
Yeah.
That's what you're saying?
Yes.
You know, you're not the first one. I see people say that all the time.
But thank the Lord.
I see people say.
Thank the Almighty.
But like it's not as, you know.
But now you know chukolera abaana bo.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Of course.
Tokkiriza mwana wo kubonaabona wamma.
Nedda.
Okitegedde?
Nedda.
Abannayuganda baagala nnyo omwana bw'abanze nabonaabona n'omwana nga ino tokkiriza mwana wo kubonaabona nze kino kigamba pros.
Never. I'm gonna be a good dad.
You want to be a good dad?
I'm gonna be a good dad whenever that happens, though. So I'm not close to happening.
Wanji?
That's not happening anytime soon.
Close up.
Echo techigenda ku happening anytime soon.
Techigenda ku happening anytime soon.
Yes. I'm not ready.
Kati waka mu Canada mukosa lulimi ki?
English.
Wanji?
English.
English. Temukosa mu Luganda mu
English. Munju, like in my house? Yeah, we speak Luganda.
You speak Luganda with Ezekiel?
Ezekiel, Esther, Mama Wange,
What the Rolex?
Wange. Yes. Rolex, I've had it. I need to, you know, Kuria Chikomando though. That's what's next.
Chikomando?
I need.
What is Chikomando?
Chapati, Nebi Janjaro.
Ku street?
Street.
Tebyukulumye mu olubuto. Totidde. Are you scared?
Yo, nakula Uganda. I think echo wachelabira. I grew up in Uganda.
So Uganda wasomera kusomero ki?
Sapulo Kagwa. Boarding school.
I have my cousins also there.
Bali
eyo bana ba uncle wange basomera ku Sapulo Kagwa.
Shout out to everybody from Sapulo Kagwa.
Nze nasomera ku Namateke primary school. Olimanyi?
Mateke,
Nedda. Tolgonje si Mateke, Namateke.
Oh, Namateke, Nedda.
Simanyi. Busunju.
Busunju. I've never heard of it, I won't lie.
Nasomera Mbigere.
Bigere.
Ngende yo kubayita Mbogwe.
Mbogwe.
Nedda. Oyogera kisembayo kyokka. Bayita Mbogwe.
Bayita Mbogwe.
Yes.
Wait.
It is in Bugodi.
Simanyi.
Gamba Bugodi.
Bugodi.
Bugodi in
I don't know these places. I don't know any of these places.
In Mayuge district.
In where?
Mayuge.
Yuge?
Mayuge.
In where?
Mayuge.
Simanyi.
Gamba Mayuge.
What?
Mayuge.
A what? I can't.
Mayuge.
I can't.
Okay, say district.
District.
Ma.
You.
You say ma.
What?
Okay, you say
what?
Ma.
What?
Okay, so what I'm saying. So what I'm saying. Ma. Repeat after me. Ma. You. Gay.
So what do you want me? Am I where?
Okay, do this. Repeat after me, yeah?
Yeah.
Ma. Okay, repeat after me. Ma.
No,
we have to do this because these are names of districts in Uganda. So I'm just.
Is this a real district?
Yeah, Mayuge district.
Simanyi, I'm not gonna lie.
No, okay, you repeat after me. I'm teaching you.
I don't know this district. I'm not gonna lie.
It's.
I think I would have heard of it before. After Jinja?
Yeah, after Jinja. Then after Mayuge, you go to Iganga. You know Iganga?
I don't know that one either.
You know Masaka?
I know Masaka. I've heard of that one before.
You know Arua?
Arua?
Yeah.
Nedda.
You know Gulu?
Nedda.
You know Mbarara?
Mani Mbara. Nakula Uganda. Nakula Mbara. Shout out to Mbara.
Oh, yeah. You know Fort Poto?
No.
You don't know Fort Poto?
No.
You know Bushenyi?
No. Simanyi. Olimukungamba spots empya kati.
Anti kati mba nkuyigiriza. Kubanga you with time you rewatch this video and then it will give you courage to go and research about these districts.
Okay.
Because you need to know something about your country.
I'll definitely search up that first one that you were.
Mayuge. Mayuge district. One of the best districts in Uganda.
I'll try and find it.
Yeah?
I'll try and find it.
You know Sabasajja? Kabaka? You know Sabasajja Kabaka?
I know that's the king, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know him?
I know him.
Do you have a portrait of him in your house?
It does.
You don't?
I don't.
Okay.
Tulimu Canada, so.
Muliwa?
We're in Canada, so.
newe kati kanku
I don't know if we'd have the
kanchu gambe ngenda kuwa ekifaananyi kyasa go Wamala.
Oh yeah.
Oli musajja Muganda.
Yes, several.
Yeah? Kitegeeza Wamala oyina okuba n'ekifaananyi kya Ssaabasajja Kabaka mu nnyumba yo.
Ogenda kumpa ekifaananyi? I'm waiting.
Before you go back to Canada, ngenda kuwa ekifaananyi okiteeke mu nju yammwe.
Okay.
Kugamba obeera omusajja Omuganda omutuufu. Because you love Uganda, that's the first thing.
I love Uganda.
So, okiteeke mu nju buli amukwano gwajja mu nju omugambe that's our king in Africa. That's my king. Okitegedde?
Oh, I can't wait to get that picture, bro.
Kati mnokuyigiriza nti omusajja Omuganda kati Wamala tosobola kufumbirwa Nalumala.
Watching.
Yeah?
Watching.
Oba Nakabiito.
Watching.
Anti mwedira omuziro gumu. You know omuziro?
No.
Engabi bagiyita batya mu? Engabi bagiyita batya? Engabi ye Cob? Yeah. Ye Cob? You know Cob?
Cob? No. What is that?
A Cob animal called Cob.
Neda.
Yeah?
Oh, deer?
Yeah,
oh.
Deer. Yeah, deer.
Okay, yeah, I know what deer is.
You know deers?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's your totem.
Oh, okay.
You know totem? When
it's
someone says
like,
totem?
What, Chenedira? That's what it is? Oh,
so weddira Ngabi.
Oh.
So omuntu yenna yeddira engabi.
Okay.
Tokkirizibwa muwasa.
Okay.
So,
Kubanga, that's like your cousin, right? Okay.
Bw'osanga omuwala Omuganda yenna osooka mubuuza.
Weddira ki?
Weddira ki?
Okay.
Bw'agamba yeddira Ngabi aba sister wo.
Okay.
Okitegeera?
Okay.
Kati kikwate ku mutima. Ti omuntu yenna yeddira Engabi sister wo.
Njagijjukira. I'll try and remember that.
Kati omusajja omukulu yenna gw'osanga abazaala omwana oyo abataatawo.
Okay.
Okitegedde?
Okay.
Kati gwe weddira Ngabi. Your mother is also Muganda?
Yes.
Kati ne mama omubuuze totemuye kuba kati n'oyo naye tosobola ate kufumbirwa mwana yeddira mama wo kye yeddira. Kuba kati waba muwala aba maama wo. Okitegedde? Kati awo ogenda kuba omusajja Muganda wayambadde ku kanzu?
Ngenda kufuna kanzu before I leave though.
Nina okutwalako emmengo. I need to host you on my TV show.
We need to do it, bro.
Yeah.
We need to do it.
This Saturday, come on my TV show.
This Saturday?
Yeah. Munasobola muleta? Mumulete ku BBS. Mumutuuse essaawa nga 7 so that mubriefinga bulungi. Wakati Wamala akisooka Wamala ayagala Uganda. Naye tamanyi biri Uganda. Kati kituuka katako ffe mikwano gye omulaga.
Exactly.
At least when you go back home, you will say, I visited my king station.
And I learned.
And I learned something, yeah? I'll move you around. You see how we operate.
I'd appreciate that a lot.
Yes. Because when I come to Canada, you do the same.
Exactly.
Then you go to second hand Canada.
Oyagala okutikira ebintu ebiri original okuva mu America ng'amasimu okuli iPhone n'essimu endala, computer, laptops, ebyuma by'eddwaliro, ebizigo by'abakyala, perfume n'ebirala bingi. Weekwate Nairo Cargo Carrier e Boston okutikira ebintu bye byonna. Teweetaaga kutambula kubinona, beesike babikuleetere w'oli. Nairo Cargo Carrier ekuguliza ebintu ebiri original ku mikutu gyonna mu America nga Amazon, eBay, Apple, Walmart, Best Buy n'emikutu emirala mingi olwo ebintu bino n'ebitikka ng'ekozesa emmeri oba ennyonyi okutuuka w'oyagala. Nairo Cargo Carrier tusangibwa ku kizimbe Masengere Emengo okulira na BBS Telefina. Okumanya ebisingawo tukubire ku simu 0700 389 155 oba 0700 389 147 oba ku website www.nairocargocarrier.com. ebintu byonna osobola okubifuna naye ebiri original nga biva mu America. Nairo Cargo Carrier yebireeta.
What's that mean again?
I will destroy you.
Okay, so give me some money? That's what it means?
It's you to give me.
When you come to Canada?
Yes.
I give you money when you come to Canada?
Yeah, even here, before leaving.
Tujakulaba. We'll see.
Because I love Canadian dollars.
I actually have some.
Even here?
Not right now. Not right now, but I have some in the bank account.
But I have a friend of mine. It's called Ibrahim Mukasa.
What about him?
He's a very good journalist. I'll give you
Love to meet
I'll give
him
you
too.
Ibra's number.
Okay.
Then I'll give you more details.
Okay.
When we are off camera.
Okay.
I have to give you Ibra's number.
Okay.
So you look for Ibra.
Ibra.
Ibra K Mukasa. Ibra who?
Ibra K Mukasa.
You look for him. Then just know when I give you Ibra, everything is going to be yummy for you. The future is bright.
Perfect.
Yeah.
That's amazing.
He's a very good journalist.
I'll definitely look forward to it.
Definitely what?
I look forward to it.
Definitely.
Definitely. I definitely look forward to
I
it.
want to come definitely.
Well, you mugamba chi?
Definitely.
Definitely. Fetugamba definitely.
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 Hey. How do you say calm? How do you pronounce calm?
Like I'm really calm right now. Calm?
Calm.
I'm really calm right now.
If want to gamba calm.
Calm. Calm.
What's her name?
Her name's Shine.
Shine.
Yeah.
She's your manager too?
She's friends with my manager.
Oh, she's the girlfriend, but not official.
Nah, they know each other for a long time.
Hey.
Yeah.
They stay in the same house.
They're just friends. They know each other for a long time though.
Okay. So, as you're winding up our show,
Mm.
you told me you're an artist.
Correct.
You have an album?
I have 2 songs. Nimba Biddy out.
So konkubiremu kapela.
Acapella?
Kapela, yeah.
Acapella.
You a rapper?
Okay, yes, I'm a rapper, hip hop.
Do it, bruh. Because you need to meet Fik Fameka before you go back.
You can make that happen?
Yes. I have to call Fik Fameka.
Hey, let's do that.
Mpesi muyange. Kuba Fik abaza okusebuna obudde. Kansooke nkubireko wano Fik Fameka ndabe oba Fik aza okuse. Baba wali oyogereko naye, right?
Yeah. Let's do it.
Banga nabajjajo ne Fik Fameka nangamba is my good fan, yeah. Ayagala nnyo byenkola kati. Wemba bwo osobola okwogerako naye. Then kiba kyakabi naye obudde buno Fik abatannazuukuka.
He's probably busy.
No, sleeps late. You know he plays too much of PlayStation.
Nange.
Now uzanya PlayStation ne weba kalete.
Yeah.
Sawa zino kati Fik yebase but nja mufuna.
Okay.
Yeah. But for Spice Dana mwine motoka. Yeah. Mugenda kungoberera ne mabegate. Tugende. Yeah. Mwine jemulaga. Today. Sorry. You have a video shoot.
Ndi mukukola video mu Uganda kati.
Mukolo bambi. Kati nkoze nti anjaga mutukiriza ku birooto bye bambi. Manya atu abasinga bamulaba balowooza mukulu naye mwana muto. So mba njagala bambi nembi mukolerako. Tomanya nyinza okujja eyo Canada ate naawe nonjogamu. Okitegeera. Ate mba njagala nkikole ne mama wasanyuka. Because I see your mom is a good person.
Bro, you know, we're loving people. We don't have a problem with anybody.
Naye mumbeereko ye? Mumbeere kaddayo ddi? Tuesday? Kale akyaliwo. Next Tuesday.
Next Tuesday.
Tugobeko weekend. Tesi njagala alabe ku Spice alabe ne ku Fik. Bayagala. Tayinza kuba nga tulabe ku bayimbi bawano. Alabe mwa having some good moment nabo. Then adeye Canada nga musanyufu.
I'd appreciate that. Thank you.
I like you, man. You're cool, eh?
Thank you, bro, for having me.
You know, abantu balabanga bambi oyogera bwoti, eh? Abamu balowooza nti weekoza,
why are you ruining Luganda? I've heard it all, bro.
Nze kati mbaddeko naawe wano. Bambi, you're a very cool person.
Thank you.
Oli muntu mulungi.
Mulimu
Mulimu abaana be bakulize Canada nga tebalina mpisa. Naye oyina empisa.
Thank you.
Oyina empisa ate genda n'empisa ezo, eh? Tokolanga baana b'abazungu. Bagamba ekintu ate noddamu bubi because you're in America, Simanyi Canada. Bwoti nga bwoli bwe tukwagala.
Thank you, bro. I appreciate it.
Mama we akuba mwengolo, those are African mothers.
Stay humble. Stay humble.
Mama we yakubyeko.
When I muto.
Yeah?
When I muto.
Bwali omuto, eh?
When I was a kid.
Yakuba.
Yeah.
Yakubira ki?
I used to be a bad kid, that's why.
What did you always do?
Not listening.
Still sugar.
Still sugar.
Still what?
Still sugar. not do my chores, everything. I did.
It's called sugar.
Well, mujitachi, sugar.
Sugar.
Sugar. Sugar.
Sugar.
You have to say that R at the end. Sugar.
Sugar.
Yeah.
Okay.
But,
so how do you pronounce honey?
Honey.
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 Okay. Wow. So Gambia, you're single.
The single.
You know Big I?
Big I-U-G?
No, Big I, the artist.
No.
Tom Manyi.
No.
Ate Bobby Wine.
Of course.
Manyi, eh?
Of course.
Ate Bebe Cole.
Of course.
Ate Juliana.
Of course.
Yeah, those ones you know. Ate Muyimbi Chawo, Mulala, Shibo Mumanyi, right?
Of course.
Kenzo Mumanyi.
Of course.
Ate Karuna Ntongo.
Mm-mm.
Ate Bitusi.
Mm-mm.
Katino. You don't know this at Rema. You know Rema?
Oh, I know Rema. Rema Namakula?
Eh.
Yeah.
You know this song Gutuja?
How does it go?
Omutima gutuja, gutuja, gutuja.
Yeah, I know that song.
Guba gutuja we tututu.
I've heard it before. Na Simanyi lyrics. I've heard it before.
Kati those boys Rema they are imba nabo. Baba itaba B2C.
Oh, B2C.
They are 3 tall, handsome boys.
B2C. Njaba, I'll search them up for
sure.
sure.
Come to Canada one of these days.
I'll search them up.
You know, and you know my mommy is called Auntie Prettymo.
Auntie Pitmo?
Prettymo. You know her?
Pitmo?
Pretty, yeah, call her Pretty. She's in Canada.
Yeah.
She does events.
Yeah, that's Aunt Solomon. That's my aunt.
Oh, you know?
Yeah.
That's my mother.
That's your mom?
Yeah.
Your mom?
Yeah.
Like mom?
No. Hey, what is mom?
Like your real mom.
So, mama also katika sati mama wada. You say mom. Like your mom?
Your mom. Yakuzara.
No.
Hey, Yakuzara.
No, but she's my mom.
Okay.
Yeah, I like her so much.
Yeah, she's amazing. She's an amazing woman.
And Solomon.
I'm friends with her kids. You know, I performed at her daughter's 16th birthday.
You know Stuart?
Stuart.
Mr. Chisemakula's son?
No.
You know Mr. Chisemakula?
Mm-hmm.
You know Mr. Chisemakula?
Yeah.
Hey, you know Ronald Mainja?
Oh, no.
You know Geoffrey Lutaya?
Jeffrey Lutaya. No. Just David Lutaya.
David Lutalo.
Lutalo.
You only know Lutalo, eh?
Yeah.
But Mr. you know?
Mr. I know.
Oh, Pastor Bugembe, you know?
I know Pastor Bugembe.
Sajja nga balina brands ez'amaanyi. Sajja basimba emirandira olaba naawe omumanyi.
Like the ones I know, those are the ones I used to listen to when I lived here. That's why I know them and I remember them.
You know Karo Kasita?
Yeah.
Winnie Nwaji?
Yeah.
Vinka?
Yeah.
Abayimbi abavubuka kitegeeza kati eyo mubeera nnyo ku music waabwe.
But Jack Canada and they have shows, so I like. You know,
that's how you know them.
That's how I know them.
Okay. So muyimbi yeetaaga okukola ennyo okujja Canada. So nange obadde tomanyi?
Nedda.
Obadde tomanyi?
I heard. I'd heard of you, but.
Oh. Ani yayanjogerako Esther Mutesasira?
Yeah, actually.
Esther mukwano gwange bambi.
Yangamba nti oli big YouTuber mu Uganda, you have connections, so.
Esther yagamba. Esther yadde Canada.
Yeah.
Ye yagamba.
Yeah, yangamba.
Kati awo Esther musonyiye. Alina ke yankola n'Esther kati ako musonyiye. Baba yagamba.
Nedda.
Yantunda.
What? What do you mean?
Kigambo ebimu bigenda kunziwalira kati oluzungu lungi.
Oluzungu lususe.
Oluzungu lungi.
The English is not English, eh?
Yes, but I'll be there.
Okay, you have to come to Canada, man. I can't wait. It's gonna be lit.
Bro, it's a must, man.
It's gonna happen.
Yeah, it's a must.
We're gonna make it a movie.
Yeah, I have to be there.
It's gonna happen. We gotta make it happen.
By the way, nalizanyeko nawe. My skits, none of my skits. You know I have my skits called my Brighton.
Oh, you make skits?
Yeah. So, you're a good actor.
Thank you.
You can act.
Thank you.
But they've told me you're going to Mukono.
Yeah, and you know, video shoot.
And you're going to shooting a video.
Upcoming videographer, Mukwano. Ultimate shots.
Bankwana upcoming videographer. Hey.
He's been there?
Auntie Gambia upcoming.
Oh. Yeah, yeah.
Okay. So, ngenda kuwa namba yange ya mobile money. Omanyi number ya mobile money?
No.
Omanyi SendWave?
Yeah, what is that?
SendWave. The one you use in
Canada.
Canada.
Center, right? Yeah.
Ati number yange ukwena amanya gange gereta.
Okay.
My names.
Okay.
So that Bamorusek.
You keep saying that, bro.
And man nok boruseke.
You keep saying that.
Prosi. Kati che nega prosi soko mbulira amazima. Che kiba kyakulese Uganda ne sikuba ruseke.
What do you mean? You're gonna give me money?
Yeah. Nzate nkuwe.
You're gonna give me money?
Teba wa muntu webula ya sente.
Oh, you want me to give you money?
Gwa ino kunjo cha.
Hey, I mean, oh, when I go back to Canada, I got you, bro.
Kubanga.
You gotta do something.
Jaga nompereza engato. Ngaza kabinza mbale kuno street invumevuma abantu.
Buri mwa manyi nti prospect.
Yes, impadde.
Okay.
Uweleze pe yanga 15.
15. That's 15 pairs?
Yes.
You need 15 pairs?
You ship them.
Nja kulaba che sobola kola.
Nompa jeans. Amakumi yago.
20?
Yes, 20 jeans. Nompa jackets. 10.
Yo, this is crazy.
Yeah.
This is kind of crazy.
Yeah, okay. Don't worry, jakuba bulungi. Kakati, ompe chain.
This is kind of crazy, man.
Ompe chain.
Okay.
Ongulire chechi ache simsabi.
Buli chimu.
Amasati.
Okay.
Tompa
mpa list. Nja like
tompa byo yambaddemu.
Nedda empia.
Brand new.
Fresh out the store.
Brand what?
Brand new. Fresh out the store.
Brand new. Okay. Fresh out of the what?
Store.
Okay.
Oh, mujita shop. Wano, Shop. Shop. Store.
Good.
Okay.
My name is Alan.
Nice to meet you, Alan. Prospect.
Yeah. From there we are good friends. Why did I follow you on TikTok and you never followed me back?
Do you follow me on TikTok? I'm sorry, it's a lot of followers.
Nyakuchapula.
Kandabe.
Bali bakuchapuddeko.
What does that mean?
Okuchapula.
What does that mean?
Mommy will tell you. That's homework. You when you go back to Canada, tell your mommy, Alan said aja kunchapula.
Tom following her.
Not following ze. Nangenzo kula tani tom following and
oh, so you've unfollowed me.
Because you've not been following me.
Okay, I got you.
But follow. I followed you on Instagram. You go on Instagram and follow again.
Follow. I got you. Don't worry about it. It's love. It's all love.
Love,
ALLANCRUZ.
Yeah.
Okay. Damn.
There. We're good to go.
We're good to go.
Ogenda
kun following her back.
Yeah, I can follow ngire wano nange. Wakati gwe prosper tufuse ba Luganda Bwenzije wamwe tebansuza mu ntebe. Ova mu kisenge gwe nosula mu ntebe enze nensula wa?
Mu kisenge.
Good. Nze bimyezije Canada sagala kubona abona gwa ino kola bibikimu.
Just tell me when you land, bro.
Hey.
Nkubira when you land.
You follow.
Okay.
Good. You know here Instagram I can get you so well, yeah? Hey.
NRG yesterday.
You went to Energy Radio? They were speaking English.
English.
Hey, which presenter?
Etania, Zion.
Hey, you're the Tanya? Oh, so you knew Etania before?
I knew of her.
Yeah?
I knew of her. Na Simanyi, like I don't know her, but I knew of her.
You heard of her?
Yes.
Nze mundeke deka tumalize interview eno kubanga luzungu.
That was when I landed.
Did you see our airport?
Yeah.
You saw our Ugandan airport?
Yeah.
Is it cool?
It's nice. I love it. Olaba we team with the Christmas lights and everything. It's festive.
Chiwayagadde.
Yeah, it was nice.
So airport yapo yakusanyudde?
Yeah, it was nice.
Eringa ye Canada.
But it was nice.
What was maximum?
Out of 10?
No, out of 100.
Out of 100, it gets 80. 80 is good. 80 is a nice one.
Yeah, it's good. It's good. Our airport, you give it 8.
80 out of 100.
I love it. Kali. Okay. Right now we are winding up our show with a cappella.
Oh, a cappella.
You know me and
we're having too much fun.
Yeah.
We're having too much fun.
That's it, bro.
A cappella.
Yeah.
Nyimba yange, My Love. It's out right now, actually.
Yeah.
Kututa auti kubanga zen kwagala oyina fashion mwengoye zo yambala tuli mu Kampala wabula mwensene nene baby go wangula.
Ani yakuwandikira?
Me, I write all my songs myself.
Kagenda katakaddemu.
Nkutute auti kubanga zen kwagala oyina fashion mwengoye zo yambala tuli mu Kampala wabula mwensene nene baby go wangula.
What does it mean?
I took you out because I like you. You have fashion and the clothes you wear. We're in Kampala. Wavula, like, oh my God.
Yeah.
Mwensene nene. In this big world, you're the one who's winning.
Then, do you have any rap that is in English?
Yeah.
Yeah, rap.
Ain't nobody else gonna love you like me. You know I see the things that they just don't see. I will be there for you when you get lonely. You still got my number, you could just call me. You
know you resemble Lil Wayne.
I've heard that before.
Yeah?
I've heard that before.
You resemble Lil Wayne.
People say like I resemble a lot of people though. And she would do.
Now you gama ntofana Lil Wayne.
Lil Wayne, Juice WRLD, byonna would do.
Tebakulimba. Ho.
Native. I've got a lot. Fig Fameka.
Wanji?
They say everything. I've heard everything.
This is your real hair?
Of course.
Your real hair?
Of course.
Of
course it's my real hair.
This is extension.
A lot of people ask me that. Watching and I take more extensions. You just be patient. You gotta let your hair grow. You know?
Okay.
3 years.
Tumalize show. Tumina kumikwano jejide Canada.
Zay, Dre, Sway, I love you guys. Mom, I love you. Thank you for tuning in. Zay, oyo mukwano gwange Isaiah, na yet like Zay. Sway, Ho Sway.
Yeah.
Dre. Andre. And then K.
Aina nkantume kumikwano jange.
Okay.
Mukasa, Semalago, Nampima, Sechitoleko, Chimadio.
Yeah. Oh my God.
Nange jimikwano jange.
Yeah. I like those. I like those names. Thank you for having me, bro.
Thank you so much.
It means a lot.
See you in Canada. Next year I'll be in Canada.
Let me know when you land.
No worries, bruh.
No, wait. We have each other on Instagram now.
On Instagram, we need to connect. I need to have your Canadian number.
We'll be in touch.
See you next time when see us, yeah? Ciao.
Abakuzara Quality Farm Madugomba bayita abalunzi bonna mu ggwanga okujja musomo gw'ebyobulunzi ogutuumiddwa ekyama mu bulunzi Section Farming okuvanga 5 okutuusa nga 6 January ku faamu yaabwe Madugomba omusomo gwa nnaku 2 era tugenda kutendeka abalunzi mu nnunda ey'omulembe endiisa n'endabirira ebyuma eby'omulembe bikozesebwa mu kulunda oyige bw'ofuna mu kulunda ate era n'okukuuma ebitabo banking and record keeping.
Nammwe abaagala okutandika ebyobulunzi nga temulina ssente wakuzeewola mujja ku olwo
tujja kuba ne campfire ekiro era nga abayimbi ab'amaanyi ennyo mu ggwanga bakutusanyusa ekiro kyonna paka obudde kkejenge osasula shilingi 2000 okulya okunywa n'okusula.